I didn't expect much at first, but these surprised me. They feel solid, heavy-duty but not too heavy. And honestly, they just work. There's something about the lid. When you close it, it almost feels like it's vacuum sealed. Super tight, super secure. They may not look fancy, not like those aesthetic containers online, but that simple design never goes out of style. I tested them hard, dropped them, shook them with liquid inside, stacked them carelessly. Nothing happened. No cracks, no leaks, no loose lids. Even after everything, they still looked brand new after washing. For the quality you get, the price feels like a steal. The only downside, they're glass. So yes, a bit heavier than plastic. Then I tried the plastic version. Same design, same idea, but lighter. And surprisingly, performs almost the same. Still leak-proof, still sturdy. The plastic feels thicker than usual. Not cheap, not flimsy. I dropped them, microwaved them, washed them over and over. They held up just fine. First, thought plastic might leak. But no, not even a single drop. That really impressed me. The only thing missing, you can't use them in the oven. These are different. You notice them right away. Clean design, soft colors, very aesthetic. They don't just store food. They look good doing it. Made from ceramic-coated glass. They feel premium. I like the size options too. Perfect for leftovers or meal prep. They passed all my tests. No stains, no weird smells. If you bring lunch to work and want something that looks good, this is it. But they're not perfect. The coating scratches more easily, and the lid, while secure, doesn't give that satisfying click like the others. I used to think food containers didn't matter, until one day, my lunch leaked all over my bag. That's when I realized the right container can save your day. The wrong one creates a mess. So I started paying attention. First, how do you actually use them? Just for leftovers in the fridge? Or taking food on the go? If you carry meals like I do, leak-proof is not optional. It's a must. Next, shape matters more than you think. Rectangular containers stack better. They save space. They keep everything organized. Then comes versatility. Microwave, dishwasher, freezer. These are basics. Glass containers go even further. You can put them straight into the oven. No extra dishes. No extra work. And don't forget durability. Because let's be real. You will drop them. You will throw them in your bag. Cheap ones won't survive. Finally, the lid. This is where everything comes together. A good lid should feel simple, but lock tight. That little click means your food is safe.